Want to go back to the good old days when everything seemed easier? Well, we can't guarantee we'll make you feel like a kid again, but at Bristol West, our focus is on making auto insurance easier, much easier. And we deliver because our insurance policies are crafted with you in mind. Whether you've purchased your first car or have multiple vehicles, we can offer you a customized rate. We provide discount opportunities, flexible payment plans, and 24/7 online access to our claim service. We also have super easy-to-use features like a mobile app and online chat. If you're looking for auto insurance, look no further. Take it easy. Choose Bristol West Auto. Easy as that.